Okay, so we got a service call to a full-size Federal elevator. Once I get the controller open. Nothing too complicated, right? They use this Koyo Direct Logic PLC and like everything, right? Contactors, battery backup. This one's not too bad of an install. Fairly clean, which is nice. They're famous. They must use that jumper just like for setting calls and whatnot. Yeah, here's a ITI tank. I believe they use Blaine. Yeah. There's valve. I think it's only like, is there a date on this somewhere? June of 2019, so we just started maintaining it. But apparently what happened was a couple kids got in it, got stuck for a bit, then they got themselves out. So let's go to the elevator and check it out. Okay, so we just got in, first floor. There's only two. We're gonna try and go up. Nothing. So we can go back, play with this from the controller, but I would say that's probably a door lock. Right, I would assume. Maybe we'll just give her a quick touch on the beak there and see what happens. Okay, the phone storage was full. That's why cleaning the lock, it killed the video. But so, quick recap, it's running again. Yeah, see, look at that. It's not liking it. But I was getting the G's. GX is your gates, and H is your hall, right? So I was getting all four lights here just like that. Couldn't really get any action, and I carry this screen with me because Federal never gives you a screen with the PLCs. Plug this in, and proceeded to blow the FC0 fuse, which I found to be right here, which is all the outputs. So obviously it went through that, found that, disconnected or turned the power off, put the fuse in, and then what was weird is it was stuck in fireman's service too. So by me putting that in, I blew the fuse, killing the outputs from the PLC, and also turning the elevator on fireman's service. So I would be a little suspect of using this again, but who knows? There's the blown fuse, toss that in there. Just going through, so we still have a little hall door lock issue there, but just going through, like trying to call it from floor, or send it from floor to floor from the controller here. It's so hard to read here, right? Like, it wouldn't be too bad if they were labeled on this side, but they're labeled on that side. right? Which so the plug sticks out more on that side. Someone here has marked, like I showed you the jumper they've left in there, which I'm gonna pull that out here now. They've sharpied that there for this same PLC stud. These are your first floor, second floor. I'm assuming what this is to all this is because you need a swipe card to activate the haul stations. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you. The thing was working fine, and now it's all like working fine. We just got it, just did maintenance. Who knows? We could be here lots, but I think once we remedy that hall door at the first level, we'll be good to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Okay, so found the bolt right here at the top, and the one inside closer to the shoe loose. Had to make some adjustments there, but we're running nice and quiet. Had the old feeler gauges out, which are dynamite, easy to swap. But I'm pretty happy with the brake there now. We got a few things to figure out here with a couple selector things, but something about maybe teaching it the floor again or something. Some of you might be more familiar with it, but I am gonna read up on that. And I kind of like it. There's definitely some discoloration in there, right, from heating up. Paul mentioned that could have been the issue with the switch up there in the comments. Getting warm and kind of faulting out or whatever. And again, back to a few people talked about the bolts. I do have to get some of those. I have the bigger ones, must be the older ones for the other building I have, but I got to get some for these guys. Other than that, quick update. It's running better. Haven't had issues for what? This is Friday, maybe 2 days, 3 days. We're slowly getting there. But hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.